12 fastest cruise missiles in the world. Cruise missiles are guided missiles used against terrestrial targets that remain in the atmosphere and flies the major portion of its flight path at approximately constant speed. Cruise missiles are designed to deliver a large warhead over long distances with high precision. Today, the world is populated with a wide range of long-established cruise missile variants in service. While these enormously powerful and fast weapons are poised for their next assignments, even more powerful designs are either in the planning stages or are being realized with the implementation of recent high-budget programs. What's even more fascinating is that there are unexpected collaborations between government agencies who are working together to push the boundaries of missile tech even further beyond. One example would be the recent work on BrahMos shared by India and Russia. So today, Factaholic brings you the 12 fastest ever cruise missiles that the world's ever seen. Let's get started right away. Number 12. AVTM-300, Brazil, Mach 0.85. So the first missile on our list, the AVTM-300, is a Brazilian project of cruise missile that's under development by Avibras for the Astros 2020 system. The surface-to-surface missile has an operational range of 300 kilometers. Number 11. Nirbhay, India, Mach 0.9. Nirbhay is a long-range, all-weather, subsonic cruise missile designed and developed in India by the Defense Research and Development Organization. It has a range of 1,000 to 1,500 kilometers. Number 10. KH-101, Russia, Mach 1.03. The KH-101 is a Soviet-Russian subsonic air-launched cruise missile designed by MKB Raduga. The KH-101 has an operational range of 4,500 to 5,500 kilometers. Number 9. AGM-28, Hound Dog, USA, Mach 2.1. Named after a hit song by Elvis Presley, the AGM-28 Hound Dogs were air-launched supersonic missiles designed to destroy heavily defended ground targets. The Hound Dog has a range of 1,263 kilometers. Number 8. P-800 Onyx, Russia, Mach 2.5. The P-800 Onyx anti-ship cruise missile is a supersonic cruise missile with variants that can be deployed from land or air. The missile uses a ramjet engine that produces a thrust of 4 tons. This method gives the P-800 a maximum range of 300 kilometers. Number 7. P-700 Granite, Russia, Mach 2.5 plus. The P-700 Granite, or the SSN-19 Shipwreck, is a Russian naval anti-ship cruise missile, also guided by inertial guidance system, with active radar homing. The missile has a range of 625 kilometers. At number 5, we have 2 planes. First up, BrahMos, India and Russia, Mach 3. BrahMos is a medium-range ramjet supersonic cruise missile that can be launched from submarine, ships, aircrafts, or land. It's the first supersonic cruise missile to be in service. The BrahMos has a range of between 300 and 500 kilometers, depending on which variant and launch platforms used. Next is the Air Sol Moyen Porté ASMP, France, Mach 3. The ASMP is an air-launched land attack cruise missile that carries a nuclear payload. It's a central component of France's nuclear deterrent force. An advanced version, known as the Air Sol Moyen Porté Amélioré ASMP-A, improved ASMP, has a range of about 500 kilometers. Number 4. Perseus, France and UK, Mach 5. Perseus, or CVS-401 Perseus, is a stealth supersonic cruise missile concept study presented by MBDA in consultation with the Royal Navy and French Navy. The stealthy Perseus missile concept is planned to have capabilities similar to BrahMos with a range of 300 kilometers. Number 3. AGM-183A, AARW, USA, Mach 5 plus. Third on our list, the AGM-183A Air-Launched Rapid Response Weapon, AARW, is a hypersonic strike weapon developed by the U.S. Air Force, USAF, to counter the latest generation weapons developed by both China and Russia. So far, it's only in its developmental stages, and is expected to reach its early operational capability by the government's 2022 fiscal year. It's expected to become the fastest cruise missile with a top speed of Mach 20. Number 2. BrahMos 2, India and Russia, Mach 7. Coming in at the number 2 position, the BrahMos 2 is the second series of hypersonic cruise missiles currently under joint development by Russia's NPO Mashinostroyenia and India's Defense Research and Development Organization, which have together formed BrahMos Aerospace Private Limited. The BrahMos 2 is expected to have a range of 450 kilometers. Number 1. Shaurya, India, Mach 7.5. So as of today, the fastest cruise missile is the Shaurya. The Shaurya missile is a canister-launched hypersonic surface-to-surface tactical missile developed by the Indian Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, for use by the Indian Armed Forces. It has a range of 700 kilometers, it's about 430 miles, and is capable of carrying a payload of 1-ton conventional or nuclear warhead. So that brings us to the end of our list. For more content like these, make sure you're subscribed to Factaholic, and if you haven't watched our other videos, you can check them out too. Till then, have a good time ahead, and we'll see you in the next one.